Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Our first message today is I place the future in the hands of God. A healed mind does not plan. It carries out the plans that it receives through listening to the wisdom that is not its own. So go with the flow, follow the plan of your soul. When you are aligned with your soul and when you are in the flow with the universe, you will get guided. And that's why this card is suggesting that to have that trust and placing the future in the hands of God. Our second message today is lifting the veil, questioning everything. Anything unaligned must go. Things aren't always as they seem. This era is one of uncovering mistruths so we can remember ancient truths. Everything is in a state of recall and realignment. Anything that isn't in harmony with the planet will not survive. This goes for society and the world at large as well as in our own lives. If you pull this card, you are being called to energetically scan your life for things that may no longer be a vibrational match for who you are and how you have grown. To dismantle the systems and ways of being that once served you and others but no longer do. Some star seeds are here to lift the veil between the seen and the unseen worlds. To shine a light on things that are inauthentic or unaligned with the survival and well-being of Earth. To stand for and protect those who don't have a voice. To look deeper and question everything that previous generations did not. Some starseeds cannot tolerate things that are not congruent. They are here to bring society and humanity back into harmony with the planet and the Creator at large. If we tolerate things in our life that are not aligned and congruent with it, we add to the misalignment of the planet. You are being called to trust yourself. Notice what is out of alignment and then take the baby steps required to bring it back into harmony. This is no easy feat, but it's so worthwhile, both individually and for the planet. This is an inquiry card, and the soul inquiry is what isn't congruent in your life? How are you being called to bring it back into harmony? Right now, there are a lot of truths that are coming forward in the world as we are ascending into higher vibration as a planet, as a collective. There are a lot of systems that are being questioned, and if you have been following certain systems for generations, doesn't mean that it is something that you need to keep following. You need to listen to your soul's voice. You can connect with your higher self, your own soul, your spirit guides, angels. You will be guided when you tune in within. Follow your intuition, hear the voice of your own soul. You will be guided as to what is in alignment with the vibration and what is not in alignment. And you may have been following certain things for years, but if it is time to let go of certain people, situations and things, then you need to let go of them without any attachment, because they are no longer in alignment where you are meant to be. So this requires a lot of courage. This requires you to be curious and questioning. This requires you to be trusting God, the universe, trusting your higher self. This is the message for lifting the veil between the seen and the unseen, between the material and the spiritual. Those are the messages today. Lots of love.